In today's video, I'm going to teach you what are custom fields in Keap CRM and how to use them. Custom fields in Keap are a simple but powerful way to store information that doesn't fit into the default fields already provided in your CRM. This is especially useful when your business needs to track details that are unique to your contacts or companies. To get started, log into your Keap CRM. Once you're on the dashboard, go to your profile, then open Settings. Inside Settings, find and choose Custom Fields. This is the area where you can create and manage the extra fields you want to use. When you click Create New, you'll notice there are two categories available: Contact Fields and Company Fields. Contact fields are used for information about individual people, while company fields are used for business-level details. In this example, we'll create both so you can see how each one works. First, select Custom Contact Field. For the field name, type Job Title. A custom field name should clearly describe the information you want to store, so it's easy for you and your team to recognize later. For the field type, choose Text. This option is best for short written information, like a role or title. Then check Always Shown if you want this field to automatically appear on every contact record, which can save time when viewing or updating contacts. After that, click Create Field. Next, add another custom field. Choose Custom Contact Field again, and this time name it Customer Type. This kind of field is useful for grouping or labeling contacts based on their relationship to your business. For the field type, select Checkboxes. Checkboxes are helpful when a contact may fit into more than one category at the same time. Then enter the field options: New, Old, Recurring, and VIP. These options can help you quickly identify where a customer stands, whether they're brand new, long-term, repeat business, or a high-priority client. Once that's done, click Create Field. Now let's create company custom fields. Click Create New, and choose Custom Company Field. For the field name, type Annual Revenue. This field can help you track the financial size of a company for reporting or segmentation. For the field type, select Currency, since this information is money-based. Then click Create Field. Create one more company field by clicking Create New again and selecting Custom Company Field. Name this one Number of Employees. This is useful for understanding company size. Choose Whole Number as the field type, since employee count should be stored as a numeric value without decimals. Then click Create Field. Once you're done, you can also come back here anytime to edit or delete custom fields. Overall, custom fields in Keap help you organize business-specific information, segment contacts more effectively, personalize communication, and improve your CRM workflow. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.